Ready, go. Go, Caleb. Everything, Caleb. Wrist curl that, wrist curl that. Yeah. Make it hard on him, make it hard on him.
Oh, yeah.
Then we hold this down. Holding this down. Oh, it's close, it's close. It's really close, bro. It's like an inch.
Oh.
It's an inch, bro. This is where that inch counts, lady.
Okay.
Come on, Caleb!
Oh.
He's good. The best challenge anyone's ever had. Really? Dude.
That was good.
That's facts. That was good right there. That was good right
He's got
there.
that like good shit. Look, I'm not gonna.
You doing okay?
Yeah.
He had that man.
Want someone start you?
That's what, what's up?
I said, want someone start you?
Yeah, yeah.
Ready? Go.
Ooh. Can't hold this bitch, bro. I'm shaking so bad right now.
Motherfucker.
I'm going to failure.
Oh,
Oh my God. You hit us with a ready and we go.
alright, you ready? Go.
Ooh.
Look at that endurance, man. You gotta get that hold like that.
That shit close.
I said, your nigga was like, nah, I can't get it so fast.
Ooh.
Fight me, man. Fight me. Come on. Everything. Come on, man.
You guys are good at endurance. Like,
Come
I
on,
get
man.
tired and my arm won't move, bro.
Everything. Here, you want to call it off, Xavier? Bro, this lighting, bro, is perfect for him, dog.
3, 2, 1, go.
Everything, Caleb. Get close to it. Get close to it. Stand up tall. Stand up tall. There you go. If you get taller on it, you get better leverage. Yeah. Bro, this lighting. Hold the thing down, Xavier, if you can. Dude, this is amazing lighting, bro. Ben, get close to your arm. There you go. Stay on that arm, Ben. Stay on the arm, Ben. And Caleb, roll into his wrist. Roll into his wrist, Caleb. There you go, Caleb. Now pull back. Pull back with everything you got, Caleb. Come on. Keep close to it, Caleb. Close to it. Oh, is that it? Is that it? It's almost there. Once the wrist or the knuckles touch.
You got that. You got your right.
Oh, shake the hands. That was awesome. What are your thoughts, bro?
Strong as shit.
Woo, that was a good match, dude.
That was good.
Bro.
Yeah, I'm trying to learn the techniques, man.
Bro, you trying to go on left again?
I'll try.
One more time. If you don't mind, yes, sir. It's already rolling.
That is the closest anyone has ever gotten to beating you.
Bro,
Yeah, bro.
this is your rival, bro.
So, I got to stay on the table, right? My arm.
Yeah, so one
see?
thing I'll show you.
That's why I
is,
stopped. 'Cause I was right here and I had you, and then my arm.
If you would have stayed there, you would have beat me.
Yeah, no.
I'll show you on the right arm. Like, I can't really go on the right
Yeah,
arm.
yeah.
Like when you were here, right, and you had arm. The only two things you could have done, so basically in arm wrestling, if I were to come down and I keep the pressure here, so I keep this, but I slide my elbow forward, and then I come back down. So like, if I were to do it in a match, it would look like, ready, go, I'm coming back, and then I'm coming forward.
Oh.
I keep all the pressure there, and then I come back down.
Okay, so hold on. So, you feel like right here, and then.
Slide the elbow forward, yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
And I can barely roll him anymore. Really? I've been working on that forearm straight.
Bro, I'm telling you, the risk, bro, I'm trying to make this man like go to YouTube, bro. Both of y'all got crazy genetics, bro. So, Dan, you want to call this out? This is good training, bro.
I think also I did better that time because I put my shoulders to the side and going like this.
Facts. And also, stand up as tall. Like, you notice when I do, I stand up real tall because then you have better leverage here and then you can really swing with your whole body. Go.
I hate this dumb shit.
I'll come with you.
Oh, yeah. Damn.
Ben, one more on the left.
My left is.
One more on the left.
So,
One more.
Everything
someone's
you
gonna
got,
fight me
baby.
right now, I'm done.
All right, Caleb, call this off if you don't mind, bro.
You ready? Go. He was. Yeah.
My fault, Johnny. Shout out my boy Johnny.
Yeah, he looked at me, he was like,
You'll get it,
oh,
man.
fuck.
Don't slip out, Benny boy. Fight me. Ah!
Yeah.
Come on, one more. I'll come where you're strong this time. All right, Caleb, one more time, if you don't mind.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
No way.
He looked at me
I'm
like,
coming with you, man. Yeah. Yeah.
He's showing us his ass.
he's trying to carry the ass. Bro, I really fucked up.
Bro, everybody hit that flex real quick, though. Get in here, man. Hit that flex. I already know. Stay jacked. We'll see you next one. Peace. Should be pretty dope. All right, so first things first, if I'm going to right arm, my right foot's coming forward, and I usually put it to like the side of it, so I can really get that.
That's it, you got big legs.
Yeah, so
Watch it, I'm going like that.
you put your thing down and you stand up real tall with it. And basically, everything you do, you're trying to get the superior angle on your opponent. So theoretically, if you're like this and I'm like this, I'm cutting in to your bone line basically. So if we were to go right now, I'm using all this. And
Uh-oh.
bicep. And then basically, the first thing you always want is you want this. So you curl that wrist in and you pull back like the row machine, like with your elbow and everything. So your elbow should come from there to like there.
And he's got to stand up.
You gotta stand up more with it too, so use all that technique.
High pressure.
So pull with this and this. Go. And then pull with your elbow too. Like this. Like pull the elbow back with you, you know what I mean?
Oh.
Like with your whole body, you know? Yeah.
And you know,
But I can't really go on the right
Yeah,
leg.
you know, hold on. Let me try.
Yeah, try it against him. You still rolling?
Yeah, I'll try.
Ready, go. There you go, T. See, he pulled right there.
My arm is so
You
dead,
want to go
bro.
left?
Let me try mine.
All right. Caleb, go ahead, call this.
Three, two, one, touch.
Y'all both got that hold, bro.
Fuck everybody. No, you guys are just not used to it. So, just sit.
Well, and I